Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a very simple scalp detox. I just got my braids out and I wanted to detox my scalp, and all you'll need is 3 simple ingredients: cinnamon powder, baking soda, and extra virgin olive oil. I mean olive oil, but I have the extra virgin one, so let's get started into it. Okay, so you'll also need a bowl to put everything in, and also I use measurement cups just so I could measure exactly what I need. So you're gonna need half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and that's what really helps get into your scalp to remove buildups, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda that also helps removing buildups and also leave your hair really shiny. And you're gonna also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and olive oil is really good for your hair. It helps promote a healthy scalp and leave your hair really moisturized, and it also fights infection, so that's always good to add in anything that you're doing for your hair. Okay, and after adding everything in, all you're gonna do is mix it together to put in your hair. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I would say I have like a big to medium sized head, and I used most of it, so I still had some left and I just went back for extra massages. Anyways, in the next scene I'm just gonna go and start putting it in my hair. Okay, and this is how it looks after you start mixing it, which you're gonna have to keep on doing when you're putting it in your hair, because the cinnamon and the baking soda tend to just stay at the bottom of the oil. Okay, so I took one of those tube thingies that you can squeeze the oil and put in your hair to start putting it in my hair. I stopped doing that because it felt like so much work. Anyways, I don't know the names, but tube thingies is fine for now. Anyway, so I just part my hair and put it all around my hair, and later on I do a small massage. And that's just about it. Okay, I'm sure it's obvious, but you have to wash your hair after this. It's a scalp detox, and I did it because I just had braids in 2 days ago. Yeah, and I removed my braids, so I wanted something for it to really massage my scalp and have it be really clean. So you have to wash this after. Do not leave it in your hair. Just leave it in your hair for like 10 to 20 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I did about an hour or so because I'm a lazy person who didn't really want to go wash my hair. But yeah, you just massage it, leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. That's what Pinterest did as well. But yeah, massage, leave for 10 to 20 minutes, and then go wash your hair. I did leave it for an hour, and nothing happened to me. You know, my scalp didn't get burned, and the cinnamon doesn't actually burn your scalp. Like, because I know usually they say cinnamon burn your scalp or make it like tangle, but it didn't really do that to my hair. So I think that's fine. Anyways, after this, I'm just gonna keep doing all the other parts of my hair and massage it, and then jump into the shower an hour or 2 hours later to wash my hair. And that's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and anything else that you can do to this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.